Okay, this lesson is on, it says row operations. It's knowing how to solve systems of equations using matrices, and we're actually going to do both, and we're going to do them by hand, algebraically, and we're also going to do them by using matrices, because obviously we've had stuff all year long, calculator, no calculator. So if it's on the calculator part, great, use matrices, no problem, do it in 2 seconds. If it's on the no calculator part, you're going to have to do a little bit more work. So it says solve the system. The first one can easily be used by substitution. Now please notice you now have 3 variables. We're solving 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Our workload just increased. So the first thing we do is we solve one of the equations for one of the variables. We're going to do this one using substitution. Let's make it thicker. So I'm going to take my 3 and I'm going to put it in right there. So I've got y minus 2 times z, z is 3, equals negative 7. So y minus 6 equals negative 7, add 6, y equals negative 1. So now I have z and I have y. Now I can take both of these and plug it in here. X minus 2 times y, but y is negative 1, plus z is 3, equals 7. So x plus 2 plus 3 equals 7. X plus 5 equals 7. Minus 5 minus 5. X equals 2. So my answer, it's x, y, z. So it's 2, negative 1, and 3. I'm not going to do the systems on this one. We'll do the systems in a minute. Solve the system using matrices. I meant the matrix in a minute. I'm going to solve it using matrices, but I'm also going to solve it by hand. I'm going to do it by hand first. Now please notice they're all lined up, all nice and neat. You could use substitution. You could use what's called Gaussian elimination. The elimination method is is much easier. What we're going to do is we're going to eliminate, we're going to use the top 2 equations. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to group the top 2. Then I'm going to group the bottom 2. And I'm going to eliminate the same variable from both equations. So I'm going to eliminate, to me, I'm looking at it, and I think the z would be the easiest, because on this one you could already just add straight down and get rid of the z. On this one, if I multiply the top by a negative 1, so if I change all my signs and add straight down, negative x plus 3x is 2x, 2y minus 5y is negative 3y, negative 7 plus 14 is 7, and then I add straight down here, 5x minus 7y equals 17. Now I have 2 equations, 2 unknowns, so I group those 2 equations together. And I solve for x and y. I don't see anything nice and neat I can do, so I need to multiply both equations. Maybe this one by negative 5 and this one by 2. So that would yield, let's see, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 3 is plus 15y equals negative 35. And then 10x minus 14y equals 34. Add straight down, the x's cancel, and I get 1y equals negative 1. So y is negative 1. Then I fill that back into either one of my equations here and solve for x. So 2x minus 3 times negative 1 equals 7. 2x plus 3 equals 7. Minus 3 minus 3, 2x equals 4. X equals 2. So now I have x and I have y. What do you think I'm going to do? I'm going to fill x and y in here and solve for z. So x is 2 minus 2 times y is negative 1 plus z equals 7. So 2 plus 2 plus z equals 7. Z plus 4 equals 7. Z equals 3. So it's x, y, z. Now it says to solve it using matrices. To do it using matrices, what you do is you assemble a matrix